So reproduction in plant. So as we were discussing about reproduction, living organisms also happens in plants. Even plants do reproduce. So the same concept is applicable to the plants also. Okay, but the way they reproduce might be different. Okay, what the difference is, they have they have two modes of reproduction, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. The way plants, humans and animals reproduce in different way. Even in animals they reproduce in different ways. Yes, we have different types of reproduction in animals. Some lay young ones, some lays eggs. Okay, so there are even types of reproduction in animals too. Okay, so what are the two types of reproduction that plants undergo? Okay, basically plants undergo two types of reproduction, that is asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction you need only one parent, whereas in sexual reproduction you need both male and female parents. Okay, what is asexual reproduction? In asexual reproduction, only single parent is needed to produce the new organisms. Okay, so a very good example is your yeast cell. This is one single yeast cell. Okay, and the bud grows and the bud gets detached and it just gets into forms into a new organism. Okay, so the parent remains there. Okay, there is no changes happening in the parent. Just a bud arises. Okay, and then it gets separated from the parent, and this is a child and this is a parent. Okay, no cell no crossing happens here, no cell division happens here. Okay, cell divisions happens here when the bud gets disintegrated, but no fusion happens here between two gametes, that is the male gamete and the female gamete. Here you need only one single parent. No concept of male plant and female plant interaction happens in asexual reproduction. Okay, offsprings are exactly identical to their parents. Okay, the offspring, the babies that are going to come out of the bud from the parent plant, they are exactly going to be alike. Okay, in lower plants, small animals like bacteria, amoeba, tapeworm, this type of reproduction takes place. What is sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction, we need both. We need a male gamete and we need a female gamete. Okay, so it involves two parents. Fusion between male and female gamete takes place, which gives rise to a new organisms. Offsprings have similarities to their parents, but they don't look exactly identical to the parents all the times. Okay, in higher animals and higher plants, this type of sexual reproduction takes place. So in asexual reproduction, mode of reproduction which individuals are formed from a single parent. That is what we already discussed. New individuals are exactly identical to their parents and it is a faster mode of reproduction comparing to the sexual reproduction. So the types of asexual reproduction that we are going to discuss is like vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation and spore formation.